So one goes and they're like, yeah, we're out of here. What's the one with the black ribbons name? Does he have a name yet?
No.
He's my favorite. He's so cute. But I love
Has he been eating a lot better?